If the window regulator in your MK3 Supra is jammed, it's stuck, or it's making some horrible noises, I'm going to show you today how to fix that pretty easily. So I just want to show you, this one was the same problem, completely jammed. I had to put a screwdriver in here and pry these gears to get it to move, and it would really jam at the far ends of this gear. And real simple fix. This is what I got now. Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix this. When we do, we want to roll that window all the way down, as far down this way as we can. Okay, almost all the way down this direction, because we're going to be relieving the pressure on this spring. Okay, come back in a second. I'm going to show you how to fix this. Okay, the whole reason this thing jams is because the teeth of this gear are not meshing with the teeth of the motor properly. And a little bit of slack, a little bit of slack that's in this arm, in this pivot point, is causing too much distance between this gear and the motor, and instead of the teeth meshing together, they are landing on top of each other and just jamming. Okay, trust me, this is what's going wrong. And the problem is there's too much distance. So the solution is to take the 3 holes that mount the motor, elongate the holes, and push the motor closer to the gear. And I'll show you that. I just have these bolts loose. I want to show you. This is where it started, and this is where I moved to, okay? That amount of movement is only created with a little bit of work on these holes, and that's going to stop the jam, okay? I'm going to just take these 3 screws out real quick and just show you. You can choose your method of tool to elongate the hole. You can use a little rotary tool and a little small grinding stone, or you can take a file, whatever your choice of method is. I don't care, as long as you make these holes a little longer. Okay, we're going to take these holes, we're going to file down the inside edge of all of these to make that hole bigger, remount our motor on, and enjoy our working regulator again. Now, just a word of caution. You see I have this clamp holding this gear in place, okay? This spring on the back of this has a ton of pressure, okay? If your unit is jammed and you just simply, and it's way up here on your gear, and you simply try to take the bolts out of your motor, okay? You can easily break your fingers with that spring pressure releases when you take the motor loose, okay? Protect yourself. Clamp this thing down. Find a way to clamp it down. Don't hurt yourself, okay? But this will fix your regulator, so I hope this helps some people save some money on not having to buy a used one. So, thanks for watching, everybody.